It's been a tough group in terms of the opposition. How do you reflect on the weekend itself?
Yeah, I think we knew it was going to be really, really tough. You know, the Netherlands are one of the best teams in the world. They had players playing that played in a World Cup final. So I think for us it's for parts of each game we competed, and we competed really well. We showed that we can put a lot of pressure on teams, we can create, and now it's putting that into a whole performance. We're going to have to do it the hard way next season, get out of League B again, but I know that this group and the players coming through have got more than enough about them and more than enough ability to ensure that happens.
Obviously there's a difference in League A and League B. What's the challenges that League B is going to likely give you?
We'll come up against teams like this, right, that are going to sit low, are going to try and hurt us on the counter, be quite direct, really play to kind of their strengths and their identity as a team. And you know, it will give us a chance now to work a lot in possession and ensure we're stopping counter attacks and keeping the ball up the field, but then taking our chances. And we've got some incredibly talented young players coming through that I think will really thrive under those kind of circumstances.
There's a few in the group that will still be here for the next campaign. What do you hope that they've learned most of all doing this week?
Yeah, I think that's like the beauty of this group, right, is that probably over 50% of them are actually under 16, so they'll be here next season, and they've learned a lot. If I just think to the whole campaign, from kind of coming in June and what we've done on and off the field, you know, we're in camps for 10 days and you're not actually training or playing that much. A lot of the work is done off the field, and I think the progress we've made in that area is huge, and we can now start next season in a better place than how we started this season. And yeah, we're not where we want to be in League A, but we'll take everything we can from League B. We will work our hardest to ensure that we get out of that group and back here or wherever we may be this time next year.